Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to soothe sunburn with strawberries. When it comes to sunburn, moderately pigmented and darkly pigmented skin can stand more exposure to UV compared to those with fair skin. So the lighter your skin, the more easily you'll burn. If the amounts of UV received remain below a certain threshold, the body manages to neutralize free radicals. Beyond that, these will directly attack the skin cells, and this is the famous sunburn. Rich in vitamin C, strawberries offers many benefits for the body. It helps, in particular, the good health of the skin, and the inflammatory effect due to a burn, such as a sunburn. For that, you need 1 handful of strawberries. Then, crush the strawberries to make a puree. Finally, apply directly to the affected area with strawberry puree. Leave 15 minutes, then rinse. Do these remedies twice a day for 5 days. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. In the next video, I will talk about how to balance thyroid with blackcurrant and walnut. Subscribe to Soul Society for more remedies and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.